Namaskaram. Welcome back to our compliance update series. I'm Dinesh Reddy, and today we are diving into a crucial update from the GSTN. We are discussing a very important advisory regarding pre-deposit payments while filing an appeal before the first appellate authority. This update directly impacts every taxpayer who has already paid tax during investigation or inquiry proceedings and now wishes to file an appeal. Recently, many taxpayers have faced a significant hurdle when trying to file their appeals on the GST portal. Even though tax was already paid using Form GST DRC-03 during investigation, the portal would not recognize it as a pre-deposit for the appeal. The system essentially ignores the earlier payment, forcing the taxpayer to pay the mandatory pre-deposit amount once again. This led to unnecessary duplication of payments, significant confusion, and frustration for many businesses and practitioners. So why was this happening? Let's look at the technical root cause of this mismatch within the GST portal's architecture. The GST system maintains an electronic liability register where every demand raised against a taxpayer is assigned a unique demand ID. However, the system did not automatically link or map a DRC-03 payment with the specific demand ID in that register. Without this mapping, the portal assumes no payment has been made for that specific demand and asks for a fresh payment. To resolve this long-standing issue, GSTN has finally introduced a brand new form, Form GST DRC-03A. This specific form allows you, the taxpayer, to manually map your earlier DRC-03 payment to the respective demand. Once this mapping is completed successfully, the portal will finally recognize that the pre-deposit requirement has been met. This means you no longer need to make an additional payment while filing your appeal. It is a huge relief for cash flow. Now, let me walk you through the exact step-by-step process of how to file Form GST DRC-03A on the portal. First, log into your GST portal account using your valid credentials and complete the CAPTCHA verification. Navigate to the Services tab, then select User Services and click on My Applications. Under Application Type, look for the new option, Intimation of Voluntary Payment DRC-03A and click New Application. Now, you will need to enter the ARN of your earlier DRC-03 payment. Ensure the details match your records exactly. Once you enter the ARN, click Search. The system will fetch the details. Now, select the correct demand ID you want to map it to. Carefully review the amounts being mapped. This ensures the correct portion of your payment is linked to the appeal demand. Finally, sign the application using your digital signature or EVC and submit the form. Your mapping is now complete. After submission, the GST system will automatically adjust and recognize your earlier payment as the pre-deposit for your appeal. This update brings several key benefits to taxpayers and professionals alike. Let's summarize the most important ones. First and foremost, it ensures there is absolutely no duplication of payments, saving you valuable working capital. Secondly, it facilitates the smooth and timely filing of appeals, avoiding last-minute payment hurdles. It also ensures proper recognition of payments already made during investigations in your official GST records. Ultimately, this significantly reduces the compliance burden and stress for taxpayers dealing with appeals. A quick tip: always double-check your demand IDs before mapping to ensure everything is perfectly aligned. To summarize, if you have already paid via DRC-03, use Form DRC-03A to map it. The portal will then accept it for your appeal. Staying updated with these portal changes is key to avoiding unnecessary payments and staying compliant with GST laws. For more GST updates and detailed compliance walkthroughs, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow our latest posts. Thank you for your time today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Namaskaram.